In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Excalidraw. By the end, your Excalidraw workspace will use the dark theme, making the interface and canvas background more comfortable to view in low light. First, open Excalidraw. You should see a blank canvas with the main toolbar and controls around the edges. Next, click Settings. It's the gear icon, usually visible in the top right area of the interface. Click it once to open the Settings panel. Now, find Theme in the Settings panel. This section controls the appearance of Excalidraw. You'll see options for how the interface looks. Select Dark. Click the Dark option to enable Excalidraw Dark Mode. The change applies immediately, and you'll see the background and UI switch to a darker color scheme. This only affects how Excalidraw looks. Your drawings and files are not changed or deleted. At this point, dark mode is active. If you're working at night or prefer a darker interface, you can continue drawing with better contrast and reduced glare. If the screen recording shows the canvas and toolbars have switched to darker tones, you're all set. That's it. Dark mode is now enabled in Excalidraw and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.